At home, there are some snacks that never stay on the plate for long. The moment they are ready, everyone is already waiting. This is one of those recipes, simple, comforting, and made with a small twist that makes it even more satisfying. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Let's begin. I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken breast washed and chopped. Add salt, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, little Goan vinegar. Now we will mix this well. I'll keep this aside and let it marinate. Next, we'll place a pan on medium flame. Melt some butter in it. Add one chopped onion. We will saute until the onion turns translucent. Then add half tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 green chili finely chopped. Next I'm adding 1 chopped tomato. Saute until the tomato gets cooked. Now we will add the marinated chicken. Mix it. Now it's time to add some spices. First I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then goes in 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it. Once the chicken gets cooked, add 1½ tablespoon of flour. Mix it. Add some milk. Add cheese. Give this a good mix. Next goes in little tomato sauce. The kitchen already started to smell so good at this stage. This is where all the flavors build up slowly. Everything gets coated so nicely, rich and full of taste. 3/4 teaspoon of oregano. You can already tell this is going to turn out really good. The filling is ready. We will transfer this into a plate and let it cool. To prepare that dough, place a kadai on medium flame, add 1 cup of water, some butter, mix it and let it boil. Meanwhile, I'm sieving 3/4 cup of flour. The water has started boiling. Add little salt. Mix it. Add the flour gradually by stirring continuously. Just taking it slow, letting everything come together nicely. Simple steps, but they make all the difference in the end. The texture here is really important, soft and easy to work with. Stir until the dough forms and it leaves the sides of the pan. Just letting it come together naturally. Sprinkle some flour on the work surface, transfer the dough onto it, let it cool for a few minutes, and then knead the dough. Divide the dough into two portions. Place one portion into a plate and cover with a cloth. Roll the other portion. It should be neither too thick nor too thin. Cut using a round cutter. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, hype, share it, and subscribe to Noila Creations for more recipes. Place little stuffing on the dough. Apply water around the edges. Cover and press it like this. Gently shaping each one, keeping it neat and soft. Taking a little extra care here makes it worth it. In a bowl, add 1 egg, a pinch of salt, beat well. Dip the rissois in beaten egg. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of semolina, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, a pinch of turmeric powder and mix well. Coat the rissois with the semolina and breadcrumb mixture. Heat oil in a kadai and deep fry the rissois on medium flame. Now just letting it cook slowly to that perfect golden color. That gentle sizzling sound always so satisfying. Watching it turn golden is my favorite part. You know it's ready when it looks just like this. Once it's ready, you get this soft, lightly crisp outer layer that holds everything together perfectly. As you break it open, the warm chicken filling inside looks rich and flavorful, and that melted cheese just blends into it, making every bite smooth, juicy, and incredibly satisfying. It's warm, comforting, and has that perfect balance of texture and flavor that makes you reach for another without even thinking. In the end, it's the simplest recipes with a small personal touch that feel the most special. This one is soft, warm, and filled with comfort in every bite. And that little cheesy twist just makes it even harder to stop at one. Definitely something worth trying at home and sharing with people around you. These are the kind of recipes that quietly become favorites. Nothing fancy, just something that feels right. It's the little things that make it special. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.